Okay, friends. So today we are going to discuss on this performance of the stock recommended so far till 31st 10 2020. This video I'm planning to put it on every 30th or 31st of the month, like the end of the month, so that we get the actual performance details. Yeah. Now, basically, all the stocks are buy on dips until I ask you to exit. Okay. So let's understand it. So if you see the returns so far, one was Bank Nifty P that is on the expire options on the expiry day, which gave 100%. If you become smart in trading Bank Nifty options with the relevant information and knowledge, that day you could have made 400% within 2 hours. Means your 63 rupees becomes 6 fours or 24 to 40 rupees. The high made by that particular option on that day was 259 to 60 rupees. Yeah. So 400% return was there. If you know the risk, you can take it. Sometimes you deliver, sometimes you don't. So be careful on this options trade. I recommend not to do it if you don't have the knowledge and the patience to deliver such kind of trades. Okay, now the second one on the positives are 48% Thyrocare. It has risen from 775 to around 1148. That's the closing price. It was way higher. And the number of days also have considered from the recommended date. Okay. So this is what now 48%, 33%, 23%, 22%, 22%, 14%, 14%. So the number of stocks delivering more than 10% return is like maybe 7 to 8, yeah, or yeah, that's 7 to 8 stocks, yeah, and the rest are not performing as good as expected. Okay, the Nifty was up 3.51% for this month, and Bank Nifty was very high. It is around 11%, 11.5% for this one month. So markets were good, but there was some very stunning scene in the market, like Reliance was going down, Pharma was going down. So many of the sectors have consolidated. Auto was down. Frankly speaking, two wheelers was a lot down, yeah, which was not expected because two wheelers went down because of the bad numbers on the Navratri sales, yeah. So these kind of things happen which was not expected, but market is always full of unexpected things. Yeah, you never expect things in market. Otherwise, you could become a crorepati by now or a millionaire by now. Yeah, if you can predict, if you can time the markets in the right way, then you don't have anything to do other than markets. Yeah, but that's not so easy. Okay. So these kind of returns are mind-boggling returns: 48%, 33%, 23%, 22%. 40 days, you won't get it. It's not that easy to get. Although the market was a bit dicey at the end since last around 1 week, many stocks have corrected drastically. Especially Reliance is going down. The numbers have come by. Reliance has delivered okay numbers, but it has risen a lot. So let's see how it reacts to the numbers, and that will decide the trend of the market. Even November is coming around. US elections are nearby. History has suggested that markets do correct heavily during the elections here. Okay, so let's be a bit what we call, we need to be very cautious, as well as we should not be missing an opportunity considering we are cautious. Yeah. Okay, on the negative side, let's see the okay, on the negative side, let's see the returns on the negative sides as well. So this was the earlier one which we made 48,000 in 48% in Zelpok. The same kind of returns we have got this week as well. This is this week. Okay, this last week I have kept it just to compare. Yeah, at times. Yeah. Okay. Now, if you see on the negative front, yes, negative front also we are down. Some of the stocks have disappointed us. For example, Hero Motocorp, nobody expects it to go down by 14%. Okay, it is minus 14%. This was out of the box because the sales have come down for this particular company. For the Navratri two-wheeler sales have come down. So I expect Hero Motors to bounce back within 15 to 20 days, but market should support. Okay, that's the only thing which hinders us. Otherwise, rest only the Silpa Medicare is an issue because now this has been down since last 40 days. The numbers, I'm not sure whether it has come down or not, but I need to have a watch on this. If I'll just recommend, because if let me see how the numbers have gone by, and if the performance is not good, then we may exit in a loss of 20%. Let's see how it goes next 1 more week or 2 more weeks. We can just have a watch on it. Then we can decide. The rest idea will come up. Hero Motocorp will come up. 5 Paisa will come up. Global Spirits will come up. Global Spirits went down just yesterday 9% or day before yesterday 9%. Those are doing good. I will Chemicals. I'm 100% sure it's going to bounce back. Z Entertainment. Yes, it is going to come up. Kemplin Point. Again, it is going to come up. Syngene will come up. Torrent Pharma will come up. Reliance definitely will come up. It may take some time, but it is going to come up. Hero Honda will come up. iShare, yes. So negative sides I've discussed a lot. Okay, so results of the stocks recommended are quite good on the positive side. Okay, it is a bit tricky on the downside also this time. Let's watch for 1 or 2 more weeks. Then we can cut few stocks if we need to. But I believe it should deliver. Okay, friends. Why I'm having a detailed discussion on this, because we should be fair enough to show the right, show the wrong. Yeah, we should be transparent. Okay, so let's see how the next week goes. Okay, this is the older reports where we had a negative 17%, negative 10%. Airtel bounced back again, retraced something, some levels. Okay, so let's see how it goes next 2 weeks, and then we can decide what to do with. If we want to cut few stocks, we can. If we don't want to cut, we'll keep it as it is. Okay, this is the graphical representation of the stocks returns, percentage returns so far: 100%, 48%, 33%, 23%, 22, 22, 14. Okay, on the negative side as well, it is minus 20%, I believe. Yeah, max. This was the earlier one. This is the recommendation that large cap stocks can be bought on the dips. No stock allocation should be more than 5% of overall portfolio. Small cap stocks are risky but can be bought on dips with appropriate stop losses. Don't buy at one go, instead buy at every dip of 10% whenever market corrects sharply. So this is the recommendation, and I believe Hero Honda and some few stocks could do good. Asian Paints was having a return of nearly 14%, I believe. Yes, Asian Paint and HDFC, a large cap stock performing 14%, 20%. It's very good. Yep. Thyrocare 48%, Kiltis 33%. So things are looking very good. Let's see for next 2 weeks. Okay. So this is it from me for today. Let's see if something comes in the radar. I may put it on this channel, on my channel. I hope you guys are enjoying the channel and the video content of the channel. If you have any comments, you can put it in the comment box. Okay, and this is the disclaimer I put after every video. This is for education purpose. This is not a stock recommendation. Everyone should do the due diligence before investing. I do own few stocks. This is my personal view, and everyone should take a decision on any stock I talk about by doing their own independent research. Views are based on the consultation of the company is placed in. Currently, I'm merely sharing my opinion with no guarantee of gains or losses on any investments. Past performance cannot be guaranteed, and vice versa. I'm not a registered, SEBI registered advisor or analyst. Okay, guys, hope you like it. Thank you.